The 2024 Bentley Continental GT is a plug-in hybrid grand tourer that combines luxury with cutting-edge technology. It features a hybridized 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 engine, offering a blend of serene usability and supercar-level performance. This model marks a significant evolution in Bentley's lineup. Under the hood, the Continental GT boasts a reworked 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, delivering 591 horsepower and 590 pound-feet of torque. The plug-in hybrid system adds 188 horsepower, resulting in a combined output of 771 horsepower. It accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.1 seconds. Inside, the Continental GT is a masterclass in luxury, featuring open-pore wood and buttery-soft leather. The cabin offers endless customization options through Bentley's bespoke division, Mulliner. The 12.3-inch infotainment display is crisp and intuitive, with wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. The front seats provide ample space, while the rear seats are more practical than most coupes. However, the battery reduces boot space to 260 liters in the coupe and 134 liters in the convertible. The Continental GT is priced higher than competitors like the Aston Martin DB12. It offers a 50-mile electric range, qualifying for an 8% benefit-in-kind tax bracket. Despite its premium price, Bentley's customization options and luxurious features make it a compelling choice for buyers seeking exclusivity.